Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. If any of you guys new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. This is 2004 Mustang V6 and it's my daily driver. The car started overheating while I was driving, so I looked around under the hood for a coolant leak and I found this. The heater core inlet hose is leaking and pull air into the system. I bought this Markvard OEM inlet hose from Rock Auto for $20. Next I picked up some hose clamps from local hardware store for few bucks. From Amazon, I bought a plier and a funnel kit. First I removed the inlet hose from the heater core side by pulling it out while pushing these plastic clips inward with a flat screwdriver. Just make sure to remove the plastic clip from the heater core before you install the new hose. I think this part is the most difficult part of the whole repair, just because of the location and the angle of the hose clamp. I used a plier to loosen up the hose clamp and disconnect the hose out of the engine side. This looked pretty simple, but it took me about half hour and a whole lot swearing to disconnect this hose. As soon as you disconnect the hose, you will lose some coolant, so be ready to add some coolant later on. Next I reconnect the hose to the engine side with the regular hose clamp. Then connect the other side to the heater core. Next I used a funnel to refill the cooling system and waited until most of the air bubble gets out of the system. Then I check for the leaks. And finally install back the radiator cap. And I drove around the car for 5 days, no overheating, and the car is back to normal. And this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check my main channel for more videos or the links in the description. Like always, please don't forget to share, subscribe. I will see you next time.